Hi guys, so I wanted to talk to you guys as I'm doing this video because it's going to be an unedited video, but I have a lot of things working against me. Oh, let me put on my primer, my Fenty. No, it's not coming out. Oh crap, I don't have time for this. Oh my lord, I don't have time for this and it's not coming out. Is it broken? What? It's not coming out, and I need my primer because I'll be on the road for the entire day today. Alright, so I don't know if this can be a talk through video. Because there's a lot of noise. So yeah, I am vlogging today as well, so you guys will see me on this day and see my makeup in like real life or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to just have this be like a talking video. But as I said, I know there's probably a lot of noise, and if there is, my apologies. I need to get a microphone. That's what I need to get. That's what I need to get, a microphone for my videos. But I need one that I can clip on because I don't have a desk that I work from. I just have at the bed. So I need to get me a microphone, the one that I can clip on. Yes, I don't have my nails on. I'm going to be doing my nails today. Today is I've been up since 4 because of Jaleel, and then I tried to, what happened to my face? And then I tried, oh, the look of promo that I tried to come out. I tried to go back to sleep. It did not work. So I've been up since 4 this morning. Then I went to the gym, you know, after regular get up time. I got up and I went to the gym this morning. And then I just adding using a different brown pencil. This one is a little bit darker, and I'm using this to kind of push down my brow hairs, because y'all know I got brow hairs now. So this technique is different from my 2020 brows. And the pencil I was using before is, oh my god, where is it, you guys? I'm rushing, and okay. So it's an Airwoman pencil, and it's brown, and this one is from Outer Eye Liner, and it's in the color, I don't know, it doesn't have a color, name. I need a black liner pencil. Oh my gosh, I don't have one, or I can't stop to look for one. So yeah. Alright, I hope you guys been liking, you know, 2020 so far with my videos. I have been trying to push out a significant amount for you guys. I'm going to be using Rich Caramel from Black Opal. It's actually a foundation. Yeah, I've been trying to be very consistent. What I do, and I said this before, and I said it on my vlog channel, is I try to film 4 videos in a day. Today is different because I'm actually going on the road, but I wanted to film this look for you guys. It's going to be like a purpley type of look. It's either that, or I'm just going to go natural because I'm so late. So that's what I want. Yeah, I think I'm going to go the natural route and then do a more colorful look in next week. That's what I'm going to do. I really hope those noises aren't bothering you guys, because I have 2 fans on, the one on me here and the one in the room drying my brushes. So for the makeup job today, I saw my brush folder and I thought, okay, I have brushes. This morning I come back from the gym and I'm packing up my stuff. I'm realizing that those brushes are dirty. I had to go wash them real quick, and now I have the fan on them, drying them. This is Hazelnut, again from Black Opal. It's the foundation. Doing my brows now with, like, now that it has hair, it's so different. It's so different. Like, I don't want my brows to be thick, but sometimes they come out thick and I don't like it. And I say come out thick because, you know, it's like doing your brows is like doing like your wing liner. If you try to perfect it, it may get thicker and thicker and thicker. But with this, if I try to perfect it, it may get thinner and thinner and thinner. And I want to get thin, so I try to hit that sweet spot where it frames my face nicely and doesn't overpower, you know, the whole look. Did I tell you guys I'm going to do my nails today? Yeah, I'm going to do my nails today. So I'm going by Auntie Tia today. And she goes by appointment. Cassie, who I use as well, she don't go by appointment. You have to just walk in. So you have to get there early, you know, to get a good slot. Alright, that looks fine. Brows look thick, but I don't have time. Same foundation. Standing in line, 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't ebony brown make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Out of all of the girls, you're my one and only girl. Ain't nobody in the world tonight. Let me rotate on my other brush there, the powder brush. So I'm mixing the two foundations. I love Black Opal. Look at that. Perfect. If I had a primer, it would be better, but I'm confident using Black Opal without any primer. Both Black Opal and to be honest, Black Opal, Huda Beauty, Juvias Place, Kat Von D. I'm confident using those without any primers. I feel like I'm holding my head down too much, and the guy's not seeing what I'm doing properly. So let me go back in with hazelnut. Yeah, hazelnut. Yo, hazelnut is hella light. It wasn't this light for me at one point. I don't know if a Jonathan Sports Day give me one tan. Alright, so now I'm going into highlight and I'm using Rich Caramel. Standing in line, 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Out of all of the girls, if you like it, guys. A lot of His mercy. Sorry, guys. You're my one and only girl. Ain't nobody in the world tonight. Rotate this camera has a tendency to shut off when it overheats. So let me put the fan on it. I've been here for 10 minutes, you guys. But my brows take the longest. And especially since I'll be teaching a class, like I can't just go with half-assed brows. Like I have to get them done. Like everything has to just be laid, you know. Alright, so ebony brown. The same two things I use for my foundation, I'm using them for my contour. Staying right, 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Babe, honey, yeah, me a rush ready, cause JV say 9:15, and me I say 9:30. So he must say I forgot sure for some things around. Me say Jesus Christ. Alright, never mind. Make the 9:15 see, and then him say just relax, just take your time. So me no business. Me a rush ready same way. You okay? Yeah, I did take the $1,000 and put back the 5. Yeah. You sure you okay? Alright, babe, thanks for the room. Thanks for the room for me. Oh no. Oh, by the way, tomorrow morning at something there, mommy I leave out number 13. Mommy I leave out 2:5. Is it at 2:5 or yeah, she'll leave out 2:5. I don't know, me want go. Yeah, but I don't know if you're going to go. And she said she did ask Rowan, but she asked Auntie Paula too. So I'm gonna ask her today who she finalized that she's going with, and then see who can hold. Yeah, cause Rowan pull a double, you know, cause yeah, same pull a double, same day I work from last night. Exactly. So it'll look like Auntie Paula, but I'm gonna ask my mate so I can't be definitive. Alright, babe, love you, bye. Yeah. This hang up. Alright, so now let's set my face. That took long. I'm up to 14 minutes. My face probably going to take 20 minutes. I can't do something. Oh! It's my powder brush here. Rotted. Shoot, I used the wrong brush for my... Dang it! I used the wrong brush. The brush I used a while ago for my foundation. Where's my powder brush? This is my Sasha Buttercup powder. Good cleanse, boy. What you gonna me, yeah, man? Standing in line 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Out of all of the girls, warm cocoa from what is name, Jordana. I really don't like this powder. It's just a means to an end. It make my face look ashy. I don't like how it wears. It separates. But it's a means to an end. It was cheap. I ain't had no money at the time, so I was like, give me that powder, honey. Give me that powder. So here's what I got. And I've just been, and because, you know, I take pictures, do videos. I mean, this is no never mind to me. Alright, let's move on to the eyes. I really wanted to do something cool for the eyes. I wanted to do a purple look, but I don't know what time is it. It's 9:20 something. Let's do purple. Let's do purple. Alright, so this is my Juvias Place Warrior palette, Warrior 2 palette. My Juvias, wait there. Should I use the black? Alright, yeah, let's use the black. LA Pro Primer in black. Stop staying in line, 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Out of just blending on. All of the girls, you're my one and only girl. Ain't nobody in the world tonight. All of the stars, street side, I'm a base. Me not have my own place. What I can, me yam, me lamb. Alright, so let's go in with this palette now. This is the Dulce, this one by Juvias, and we're going in with that lighter purple. looks so good. Alright, then crop. Alright, so then I am going to go in with a tiny brush. It's like a smudger brush. And the Sasha Cosmetics I used to set my all over, I'm going to put it on my brow bone. What was the brush I used? Oh. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Sasha. Alright, then back in with the black LA Pro Primer. Then blend that out. And then I'm going to be taking a little detailer brush like this and this purple, the lighter one. That's the one I'm going to put on my lower. Oh, you're hardly seeing it. God, you guys, I just look up and saw that it wasn't recording. I don't even know if it stopped. Oh my God, and I don't know where it stopped from. This is really annoying. This is really annoying. I started this video with the intentions of being like a no step skipped, like just a full tutorial, and like I don't know how much missing. I just looked and saw that I didn't see the record thing. I'm like, what? So how long wasn't I recording for? Is it the whole eyes? Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna know till I'm editing. But just in case, I use a Warrior palette. I use this purple, the only purple in there, this one. But underneath that I have my LA Pro Primer in black. And then the lighter purple you're seeing, almost like neon, is this purple here from the Dulce palette, again from Juvias. And now I just put my LA Pro Primer there, and now I'm going to be, where is that brush? And now I'm going to be going in with the same purple, the lighter one, putting it on this white. Ooh, neon. Neon, baby. I very much like that. Okay, so I think I want to take this color here. It's like an iridescent. See if it works here. And it does. Alright, what was I going to do? Then I'm going in now with the darker purple, and that's going to go on my lash line. Lord, did I mention I was rushing? Right here. Standing in line, 'cause you're all mine. Going back in with the lighter purple. And this look is done. Well, the eyes are done. Yo, I'm so annoyed. Alright. So I'm going to be taking my mink lashes. These are E86, and this is from oh gosh, where's my scissors? Here's some of my scissors. My scissors not in here. Is there a razor? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get up and go get my scissors. That's annoying. From Mirror JA. BRB, guys. Standing in line, 'cause you're all mine. If your mirror won't make it any clearer, I'll be the one to let you know. Out of all of the girls, you're my one and only girl. Ain't nobody in the world tonight, no. Stop that and just go. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Blood cleanse. You know, I closed the bottle and I've been squeezing and nothing is coming out. It's because I closed it. Oh my god. Crazy things happen when you rush. Alright, so that's my lashes, blush and glow. Alright, for my blush, let's take, oh no, I carried up this one, the Saharan Blush 2, the Saharan Volume 2 blush palette. Taking this color here. It's so nice and girly and pretty. It's like a bridal blush palette. It's so pretty. And I see how clean it is because I hardly use it. Alright, time for glow. Let's use this one here. for my lips, I'm going to be using literally, yeah, I'm going to be using literally from Kylie Cosmetics. Stop standing in line, 'cause they're all mine. Blood cleanse. What did I put? What am I using? Literally. Oh. My timed out, so this is just a pair of tights. Black tights. I have one that's designated for wrapping my hair and I can't find it, so this one, which one slip. Give me more height there. Then I'm gonna wrap it. Tuck it under. Pull this down over my ears. Just shaping it now. These are my earrings. This is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. I am so sorry that it wasn't recording at one point. I almost don't know what to tell you because I'm genuinely annoyed. I'm really annoyed. And then a while ago it just timed out because it just says overheating and it just turned off. So there is that, what's that? Is that the shine? No, it doesn't look like it. So I'm annoyed. I'm filming with the Sony a5100, my vlogging camera. That's what I'm filming with. The top part doesn't look like it. Same fault. It felt so loose. So this is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for the love and the support. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.